Pass me a wrench, please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in. Good morning, mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? Blue? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Great Halloween costumes, mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that baby truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, baby truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Happy Halloween! Oh, what's wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals! Green? Hola, Gecko! Oh, hi, Cat! Haha, time to fit some extra special kit! Go, go, Mechanicals!
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat! Go, go, Helena Helicopter!
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat! That was amazing!
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green! Hello, everyone. We're at the beach, cooling off with some ice cream.
Pero we're not the only ones.
Huh?
Oh, what's wrong, Gecko?
I'm not sure Vicky has enough sprinkles and toppings for everyone. Sticky screwdrivers! We need to get some more toppings, and fast! Vicky will be really sad if anyone misses out on a special ice cream.
We'll take Helena. She's the fastest friend for this job.
Be good, Max! We'll be back soon! Thanks for helping get the extra toppings, Cat. Oh, hopefully, this will be enough.
But Vicky had so many customers waiting. We need to start dropping these toppings to where they're needed. Fast.
That's why we're here. I have an idea how we can deliver and serve the ice cream toppings straight from the sky.
Buena idea. But how?
We'll update Helena's grabbing arm to dispense these delights. And also add some colour. Then everyone will know she's there to serve toppings from above. What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Let's swap your grabber for this toppings device. We'll first unscrew and then bolt it twice. With sprinkles and chocolate sauce that's sweet, you'll brighten any ice cream treat. These stickers and paint will make you pop, so you're the perfect pal for an ice cream stop.
Bravo, Gecko! We're ready.
Go, go, Helena! Ice cream helicopter! Incoming toppings! Grab your ice creams, everyone!
Have the game, Gecko!
Thanks, Cat! Introducing Helena, the Topper Chopper! You're most welcome, Vicky. Always happy to help our friends. Now that's the taste of sweet success. Goodbye, everyone. Wow! Great job, Mechanicals. A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too.